One is going to be your perfect squares. This one's easy, but it's very common for kids to mess up because what they love to do is anytime that you see that, or that, you should automatically be able to think of this, right? Now be careful. I mean, you've gone through a lot more math than some other kids in this situation. The only difference is between this one and this one, right? Yeah. These two are actually the same because your negative times a negative gives you the positive at the end. This one is your perfect square and difference of squares. So just be careful because what they love to do is they'll say something where they might define the left side. So they say like the left side is a 25, right? And then they'll give you part 1 and part 2. They'll say x squared plus y squared is equal to, let's say, 20. And then they'll say, what is xy? Well, if I have 20 between these two, right? Subtract 20 from both of these. You get 5 on the left is equal to the 2xy. You could divide those, right? And xy is equal to 2.5. That makes sense? So go backwards to solve for it. Then also be careful, especially because if you do end up with any sort of Pascal triangle, bigger combinations of these, where you have, let's say, etc., right? Be careful with the way that you get those, right? Now, because now we have the 2 double in there, and then this also multiplies itself as well. So you end up with a 6, you end up with a 12. Okay? And then they'll just love to play around with those numbers to try and help you figure those out. So I just want you to write down these 3 formulas just to be ready with them, because I promise you, no matter what, these guys will show up.